Hello everyone, I'm Colin with CuzTech, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Jackery Giant Battery Bank. So the first thing I notice when I look at this packaging here, there is a little knob here on the left of the packaging. Here on the right, there's nothing to grab onto. You have your front, it's nice and simple, it's got our logo there, it's nice looking. Flip it on the back, it's the Jackery Giant Plus, pretty clear, black version. We have 12,000 milliamps. It takes about 6 hours on average to recharge. And output 1 is 5 volts, 5 volts on both USB outputs. Start by popping this off to the left. Now, first thing that comes in front here I'm noticing is a user manual. So there's the instructions and here's the product overview. So here is the USB outputs, the micro USB, and there's a flashlight. This is the power indicator and there is the button. So this is right here is talking about how you can charge. Right here you have the package contents. If we flip this over, it says more instruction on how to charge your device. When we take this out of the box, we can see that this is a pretty clean looking battery bank. It's nice to the point. There's not a ton of wish-wash to it, you know, just basic necessity. Here's the power button, so let's go ahead and hit that. So it's fully charged right now, so that's indicating that it has a full charge. Usually this will have a 1 when you pull it out of the box, and then from there you'll charge it and it will blink each light until it has a full charge. So right here you can see your 2 USBs, your micro USB for charging, and then right here you have your flashlight. To get this thing to turn on the flashlight, you press and hold the button down for 3 seconds. You can do the same to turn it off. Now we'll be putting this off to the side for the time being. Right here we just have a little thing talking about the warranty and support phone numbers and things like that. So now the last thing here is our cable. So let's go ahead and pull that off. So here is our micro USB cord and 2 USB. So again, like the headphone unboxing from earlier, a week or two ago, it does not have a thing to plug into the wall. So you're gonna have to watch out for that again. This just has the cable, but you probably have a converter at home to plug this into the wall. Also, as it mentioned previously, you can plug this into a computer and it will charge the device from there too. So that is definitely an option. This has been a review of the Jackery Giant Battery Bank. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.